everyone. I'm Sarah, and I want to welcome you into our studio today. I also want to welcome a new year and a new day. It's twice the reason to celebrate, right? Let's be honest, last year's been a challenge for a lot of us, and some of us still face challenges today. But we've got this, right? We've turned the page on 2020, and I'm determined to face the new year energized. How about you? The start of a new year is a catalyst for transformation. We think about what we want most in life, and we set goals to achieve it. It's time for a change for the better, and this year is no different. In fact, it feels more relevant than ever. When it comes to New Year's resolutions, better nutrition, energy, and wellness are always at the top of the list. If you can relate, you'll want to stick around to hear some amazing things that we have in store for you today. Now, speaking of resolutions, we're excited to partner with you to energize, empower, and elevate your life in the first quarter of 2021. How about we jumpstart the energy with a quick visualization exercise today? So, are you ready? Get in a good space and close your eyes and imagine this. How will you change your life for the better this year? Connect emotion and feeling to it. Next, imagine you'll improve your overall health and wellness. How are you going to do that? What's that going to feel like? Just imagine and connect the feeling to it. Now imagine exactly how you feel once you've achieved your goals. It's like crossing a finish line with your arms stretched out. You crossed the ribbon and you came in first place. Now you can open your eyes. I don't know about you, but picturing myself accomplishing any self-care goal instantly energizes me, and I want to hold on to that feeling as long as possible. That's why our theme this month is Energize Your Day. It's all about powering up your mornings, powering through that midday slump, and powering on when that to-do list needs to get done. So, who's ready to discover simple ways to energize their day from sun up to sundown? I know I am. So today, I've invited my friend Rita to share some quick and easy ideas on how to energize your day. Rita, it's so great to have you here today.
Thank you so much for having me, Sarah.
Absolutely.
The theme, Energize Your Day, couldn't be more perfect for this month, and it aligns so well with the brand new product we're about to share.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. I am so excited about this product. I know it's going to be big. So, should we show everybody?
Yes. Introducing Wild Vitality Drops Plus Energy.
I know, I love it.
Love this.
Now, I have to tell you, I love infusing my water on the daily with fresh ingredients, bright flavors like grapefruit bergamot. So, can you tell us what makes this amazing product different from our Vitality Drops that we currently have in our product line today?
Sure, like you, many of us have been enhancing our favorite beverages with Vitality Drops because they let you hydrate naturally without sugar or artificial colors. And just a few drops really adds delicious flavor and it takes your water to the next level.
So yummy.
So these new Vitality Drops Plus Energy combine that convenient sugar-free flavoring with 20 milligrams of guarana vida, our exclusive naturally sourced caffeine blend.
I love that. I love it so much. Now, I want to hear more about this natural caffeine blend. So can you share that with us today?
Absolutely. Guarana vida is the highlight of this product. It's made from Brazilian guarana seed extract and naturally sourced caffeine from green tea. So when you combine the two, it creates Young Living's exclusive powerhouse blend, giving you natural caffeine backed by nature.
Oh my gosh, we'll leave it to Young Living to offer a truly naturally derived caffeine blend. Now, I've heard of guarana, but I'm not very familiar with it. So can you maybe give us a little information behind this amazing plant?
Yes, guarana is a shrub native to Brazil and the other regions of the Amazon. It has been consumed traditionally by indigenous communities of the Amazon region for centuries, actually. And I learned that members of an Amazon tribe even used guarana when they would go hunting, which I thought was really
so
fascinating.
neat.
And while these seeds are about the size of coffee beans, they contain more than twice as much caffeine. And as always, we are very intentional about the sourcing of our ingredients. The guarana extract in this product is produced from seeds harvested from small farms in Brazil, which provides an additional source of income for those families.
Gosh, well, that really sets us apart. And now that you've mentioned that Vitality Drops Plus Energy contain 20 milligrams of caffeine, can you use these drops more than once a day per se?
That's a great question. Guarana seeds contain molecules called tannins, and the tannins cause caffeine to release slowly. So that gives you a really natural, long-lasting effect with an optimal level of caffeine. And the best part is you can enjoy this pick-me-up flavor multiple times a day.
Gosh, well, it sounds perfect for my busy work days, for sure.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about the flavors. We have 2 flavors to choose from. We have Jade Lemon Berry
and
Spearmint Tangerine.
Now, how can you even choose a favorite, right?
I know. They sound amazing. The Jade Lemon Berry features our Jade Lemon Vitality Essential Oil sourced from our Taiwan Cooperative Farm and Distillery, and it has blackcurrant berry, which originates from France.
So what a bright, juicy flavor combination. I wish I had a huge glass of Jade Lemon Berry infused water right now.
Me too. Our second flavor, Spearmint Tangerine, features Spearmint Vitality from our Labumint partner distillery and Tangerine Vitality, which originates in Mexico.
Spearmint Tangerine, oh my stars, that sounds heavenly. Besides fun, fresh flavors, one of the best benefits of these drops is how well you can keep hydration goals on track. So staying hydrated never tastes so good.
I agree. And the cherry on top is that our Vitality drops are free of synthetics like sucralose, aspartame, and artificial colors and flavors. And they're sugar-free too.
Now, did we mention how easy it is to use these amazing drops? Simply add 1 little squeeze to an 8-ounce glass of water, plus this handy size makes it so easy to enhance on the go. Now, I'm pretty sure these drops are going to change the way I personally do water. What about you, Rita?
Totally. And they're so convenient. Now, we're going to take it up a notch with some recipes we've whipped up featuring our Vitality Drops Plus Energy. And the first one is a Jade Lemon Berry Mocktail.
Okay, it sounds so good. I think we have to make it right now.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to muddle blackberries into our glasses.
Lovely.
So let's bring this on over. And if you don't have a muddler, you can use a spoon. So I'm just going to drop a couple.
So we'll see how easy I can do this spoon business here.
Oh, yeah. Look at the juice is coming out. So you're going to pour ice into your glass. And you got to make it nice and cold, nice and refreshing. Oh, and you're not going to make a mess like me. That's crucial.
That's hysterical. Listen, it's the same way at home, right? We have kids, we make a mess, it's fine.
It's like I'm making it with my daughter. It's fine. Okay. Your turn there. And then this is the very important part. You're going to fill your glass with NingXia Zing. After you keep your space nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to grab
water
my
on
Zing.
the floor. All right.
One of our favorite parts.
Oh my gosh. I keep saying that. Every product is my favorite.
Ooh, I'm excited.
This is so pretty.
I know. Okay.
So pretty.
And then the highlight of this drink is, of course, our Jade Lemon Berry Vitality Drops. I'm just going to do a little squeeze. I start with less, and then if you want to add more, then you add more. And then, of course, we're fancy here, so we like to garnish. So add some limes.
Gotta love it.
Oh, this is so I'm going to do it on the side because to be extra fancy. You can add extra blackberries if you want, and then mint before serving.
Do this. There we go.
Okay.
So pretty. Oh, mint is one of my favorites too.
Okay.
All right.
And it's that easy. Oh, and don't forget, I like to stir it again.
Me too. Oh, it smells amazing.
Okay.
I hope we get to taste test this little thing.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, yeah.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Every day this is happening.
Okay, I wish you could all taste this amazing mocktail right now. Honestly, so good. I'm going to sneak out of the studio today with this glass. I promise you.
So good. Now, the other recipe you'll want to try immediately, if not sooner, is our Spearmint Tangerine Dark Chocolate Plus Energy Truffles. They are to die for.
I bet they would make an amazing post-workout snack or an afternoon treat. So what an ingenious way to use the drops. So can we share these recipes with everyone?
Yes, we'll post these recipes on the Young Living Instagram and Pinterest pages today.
Now, are you ready for more ways to jumpstart your day? Well, guess what? We've created 2 custom bundles featuring our new YL Vitality Drops Plus Energy.
That's right. First up is our Sip and Zip set, which includes one of each of our new Vitality Drops Plus Energy flavors, plus NingXia Red, NingXia Nitro, and Orange Vitality Essential Oil.
Now, I may have to try that NingXia Nitro combo before my next big presentation, you guys.
Ooh, yeah, good idea. And it's a must when you need to power through a project. Okay, our next set is the Get Up and Go set. This one includes one of each of our new Vitality Drops Plus Energy flavors, Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil, and Life 9.
Nice.
Such a great set.
Yes.
If you need a morning flavor boost, combine Vitality Drops Plus Energy with Peppermint Vitality in your water for healthy hydration and wake-up flavor. And pair it with Life 9, our power-packed probiotic, for additional wellness support before you walk out the door.
Ooh, I love. Okay, well, between the Sip and Zip and the Get Up and Go, you can jumpstart your day from sun up to sundown. That is brilliant.
Totally agree. And you can use these products in these sets when you're ready to conquer those New Year resolutions.
Amen. Now, we've turned the page on 2020 and launched an amazing new product that's a must-have when you need to power through your day and through your year. In fact, let's promise right now to take on a brand new year bravely and boldly and to energize and empower and elevate our lives in 2021.
Done.
Now, thank you for joining all of us today, and we want to say from us here in Salt Lake City, Utah, Happy New Year to everyone. Cheers, everyone.